10 lines on Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a Hindu festival celebrated in various parts of India. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the last day of Shravan in the month of August. Raksha Bandhan is symbol of bond, care and affection among the brothers and sisters. On the day of Raksha Bandhan, sisters prepare puja thali with kumkum, diya, rice, sweet and rakhi. Sister ties rakhi on brother's wrist and applies roli chawal on his forehead. On Raksha Bandhan festival, sister prays to God for the well-being of his brother. Brother on Raksha Bandhan takes vow to protect his sister for life. Exchange of sweets and gifts are also important customs of Raksha Bandhan. Women on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan ties Rakhi to the Prime Minister, President, soldiers and social workers voluntarily. It establishes them as their brothers. Sisters who don't live in the same city as their brothers send their Rakhis through post. It has become common to send Rakhi from online sites too. Thank you. Subscribe the channel for watching more videos.